G'day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. Okay, well actually if you see something different and you see my beautiful new background, this is a thing that was made for me by Jonathan Jacobs. Okay, or Jono if you know him personally. Okay, so Jonathan Jacobs made me this thing. And I think this looks lovely. Thank you very much, sir. Then, today we're looking at a Rough Rider, the Black Cherry Bone. We have this nice cutout over here. It's a magnetic box as always. And then it says always high quality handmade pocket knives. Visit Rough Rider. And then this is what I want to show you. It's like a mini canoe, but there's one difference. Nice cutout. I really like this box. It just looks super cool. Let's put it over there. And this is what the actual knife looks like. We do have a big R, although it's quite a small knife. And then we have this beautiful, what do they call it? Black cherry bone. Okay, so we have the black part in there and it's cherry bone. We have a ringed bolster. On the other side, just rings. And we have this canoe pattern. But one big difference, listen, nice, it's a lockback knife. Okay, so we have this nice locking blade on this guy and it says, well, it says black cherry bone. Okay, and apparently there we go, black cherry bone. We have a long pull, match strike pull, very cool. And then we press our mid-mounted lockback to get it open, and on the other side we have a little spay blade, very nice with a long pull. Now these things are quite small, centimeters, 4 centimeters for the spay, and that's 1.5 inches total length, not even cutting. Now I'm going to go with 1.5 cutting, maybe a bit more total length. Very cool. Now this one is a normal slip joint. Now let's just check. I love that sound. Okay, there's all kinds of gunk on my ruler. Sorry for that. Anyway, this thing is about 2 inches. Cutting edge, no, not the little less. Overall it's maybe 2.25. And then the overall length of this thing is 5.5 inches. Okay, now let's just check it closed. Please excuse the dogs. I'm not sure what's going on. 3 inches closed. And in centimeters, that is 7.5 centimeters. I round these things up because I don't want to spend 20 minutes trying to explain to you exactly what that means. This is a beautiful, beautiful little knife. Okay, on the back, you see the back springs. Everything is beautiful. No gaps, no anything. This thing looks lovely. Okay, and this is going straight into my 5th pocket. Now, a few upcoming things. I am a big fan of the of the Rat One. Big fan. And I had all kinds of doubts and things when they were sold and whatnot, so I was quite worried about that. Not to worry. I'm going to show you something awesome, hopefully in a little bit. Okay, so that's going to be cool. Tomorrow we're going to be looking at something awesome. Okay, not sure what, maybe a Bowker, maybe a Joseph Rogers. We'll see what I feel like tomorrow. And then it's weekend. Thank goodness it's weekend. Today is Friday, so I'm allowed to do this. And then, yes, Saturday we'll do another video. Yes, now this looks so extremely small because it's so far from the camera. Look at it like that. Okay, now it doesn't look so small because it's close to the camera. I'm going to braai hot dogs today, but not hot dogs like people in America and so on knows. It's hot dogs from South Africa. So I'm going to braai cheese grillers, and I'm going to just use a simple, it's like mustard and tomato sauce or ketchup. mixed pretty much, but it's sweeter. I'm just gonna put that on, maybe toast the bun a bit, and that's gonna be my hot dog for today, because it's Friday. Me and the kids are watching movies. Okay, follow along if you want to. Okay, started the fire. I'm gonna make cheese griller hot dogs today. Okay, we're doing Escort beach smoked sausages cheese grillers, and then it's these little guys. They're not super thick, but I have a lot, and it's only me and the wife eating them. The kids did McDonald's. Okay, my sausages is on either side of the fire. I used my awesome little Boker pocket bowie to get them out. This thing is actually way more useful than I thought, but now I have to wait for my sausages to be plump and ready and done. Okay, they are getting nice and stiff, but I'm going to leave them for a bit longer. Okay, before they turn black and completely pop, I think I'm gonna take them off, maybe toast the bun. Okay, we can see the cheese start cooking out at places, so they are done. Okay, quickly toasting a bun, and then I'm gonna make myself a hot dog. Okay, there's my bun. I'm using this awesome stuff again. Yes, normally I would put butter and at least mayo or something on it, but this time I'm just doing this. And then I'm adding my delicious dogs. And that's me for today. All of you, stay safe, happy, have a good one. If you have made it till the end of this video, you are fantastic. Please subscribe, click all the other things, tell your friends, and have a fantastic Friday. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.